Hi guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing LOL Surprise OMG Present Surprise Miss Celebrate.
There's this lovely cute ribbon, this cute bow with LOL on it, and she looks so cute. Look at her pink hair with those little tiny curls. It's a present surprise, and that's why it has a bow. Oh, look. Apparently, we are going to find glasses in the box. I hope. We'll have to see. Oh, that's why she is called. And this is a little sis. It's a little LOL. But that's why she's called Celebrate. Because she's to do with celebration. Okay, so let's open it up. Ooh. Hello.
Isn't she adorable?
She's really cute. Look at those earrings. I love them. You can remove those, right?
I think so.
And I love this top. Okay, you have to cut her loose. Oh, look at those cute little socks. Okay, and a lot of little packs for us to open. Really cool. Look at this cute ring. Wow. Absolutely cute. And I love this skirt as well. Her whole outfit is so stunning.
And here she is, free from her packaging.
Isn't she gorgeous? I absolutely love the outfit. So cute. Wow.
And these are the things she comes with.
Yes, let's have a look what all of that is. Probably shoes and stuff.
Yeah.
Suppose.
Ooh, cute little shoes.
Yeah. Love them. Gorgeous.
They have little bows on the front.
Oh, yeah. I love them. They're really cute. White with a little bit of grayish silver on top.
Yeah.
Cute. Look what we have here. What is that?
It's her glasses.
Her glasses? And what are those things though? Oh, these are the pins.
That like go in the hair?
Yeah. So, I think she has a braid or something. Yeah, they go in there. So we'll try it out later. Let's see what else there is.
Ooh, I love this bag.
Oh, it's so cute. Yeah, we are absolute pink lovers. That's the thing. And shiny and all. Yeah, just what we love. Cool.
Is that everything?
No, there should be more, right? What's that? And there is a big thing in here as well. Oh, I understand this though in the back.
I didn't even notice the big thing.
She didn't?
I didn't.
Ooh, okay. Let's see what's in there.
Okay.
Ooh. Ah, wow.
Oh, it's stuck.
Oh, that's pretty.
I love this skirt.
Yeah, okay. Let me see, turn around. Ooh, wow. Yeah, it's really pretty. And that's all, is there? That's everything?
I think so.
Okay, let's try everything on her now. Okay. And there she is, our gorgeous Miss Celebrate. With her beautiful big skirt. Absolutely lovely, and with all her little accessories. Cool. Absolutely stunning.
she also comes with this paper that says party plan is cake plus dancing plus fierce style plus endless surprises.
Oh, cool.
She also has a star birthmark over there.
Oh, yeah. See that? It's cute.